American companies are gearing up for future colonization of the moon and eventually Mars. One company has created a new lunar rover called Moonracer, and they let our correspondent Jonathan Seri take it for a spin.
And if you want to go at an angle up onto the curb, we can go into our little off-road field here.
All right. Wow. Wow. That handled the curbs really well.
Off-roading in Texas on a vehicle that may soon carry astronauts across the surface of the moon.
It's not a bad way to start off the Memorial Day weekend.
Not at all. This is great.
As America and China compete to send the first humans to the lunar South Pole by the end of the decade, Houston-based Intuitive Machines is developing Moonracer. Unlike the single-use rovers the Apollo astronauts brought to the moon in the 1970s, Moonracer arrives on a separate spacecraft. Solar recharging allows it to operate for years, even after its human drivers return to Earth.
The vehicle continues to operate robotically as a science and technology asset. It moves around, it builds things, it samples things, it puts sensors in place.
It's one thing to drive Moonracer in a Texas field.
Do you think NASA will let you bring the Longhorn?
We're trying.
Whoa!
But the company has developed a simulator to train astronauts how to navigate in the moon's lower gravity.
Especially when I drive into a crater, I lose any sight of this being a simulation. I mean, this feels very realistic.
South Pole's very rugged. We've got to endure up to 30-centimeter rocks, 30-centimeter craters while traveling 15 kilometers an hour.
Intuitive Machines says it could have a vehicle like this one operating on the lunar surface by as early as 2028. But it doesn't have to stop there. They say engineers could redesign it to operate on Mars as America looks to send the first humans to the Red Planet. In Houston, Jonathan Seri, Fox News.
I want one.